See, today we will complete approximation, which is very IMP as per your IBPS, PO and SBI PO exam concern. This topic is only asked for 5 marks. There will be a 5 questions, 1 question for 1 mark, and the topic name is what? Approximation. Approximation. I would request all of you to note down these 2 problems immediate. Okay, now please see, please note down this. Good evening all of you. Good evening Vivek, Rushali, Nilesh, Dhruv, Gargi, Sarthak. So the chapter name is approximation. This chapter is for 5 marks, especially for SBI and IBPS PO preliminary exam concern. 2 problems written on the board. Please note down both the problems. Good evening Pradnya from Dapoli. Good evening, very good evening. Please note down these 2 problems. This chapter is very easy. Hope you noted down this. झालं का लिहून? Please reply. See, now understand, pay attention now, what is approximation stand for? Approximation is nothing but what? Where they will not give you exact value, you have to consider that value as an exact. Like suppose, now look at here they have given 19.98. So 19.98 is nothing but what? 20. So whenever there is a approximation is written, you are not supposed to calculate the exact value. तुम्हाला जे आन्सर मिळेल ते ऑब्व्हियसली तुमच्या दिलेल्या ऑप्शनशी एक्झॅक्ट मॅच होणार नाही, मागे पुढे 1, 2 और 2 डिजिट होऊ शकतो. सो जो तुम्ही काढलेल्या आन्सरच्या जवळ जो असेल ऑप्शन त्याला तुम्हाला मार्क करायचं आहे. सो नाउ सी, पे अटेन्शन, 30.01. सो व्हॉट आय विल डू, आय विल कन्सिडर 30.01 नथिंग बट 30. तो 30 स्क्वेअर कम्स टू व्हॉट? 900 मायनस 19.98. 19.98 nothing but what? 20 square comes to what? 400 minus x is equal to 20.81. Sorry, 20.81 means nothing but 22. So 22 square will be 484. So now 900 minus 400. 900 minus 400 would be what? 500. हा 484 इथे आल्यावर काय झाला? मायनस, आणि हा मायनस एक्स इथे गेल्यावर काय झाला? प्लस. रिमेंबर दिस. सो 500 मायनस 484 इज वॉट? नथिंग बट 16. सो दिस इज युअर आन्सर. दॅट्स इट. तुम्हाला याच्यामध्ये काही करायचं नाही आहे, एकदम सिम्पल टॉपिक असतात. फक्त तुम्हाला त्या व्हॅल्यू एक्झॅक्ट कॅल्क्युलेट करून तुम्हाला ते सॉल्व्ह करायचं आहे. राईट डाऊन दिस फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम. सी, जे लोक मला बघू शकत नाहीये त्यांनी परत री लॉग इन करा. मे बी तुमच्या तिकडे इंटरनेटचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल, दॅट्स वाय यू कॅन्ट सी मी. बट आय वुड रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज री लॉग इन अगेन. दिस इज नथिंग बट फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम. होप सगळ्यांना समजलं असेल पहिला प्रॉब्लेम. Very simple. What we have done, 30.01 star square. We have calculated 930 square. 19.98 means nothing but what? 20 square 400 minus x is equal to 21.81 square is what? 484. 900 minus 400 would be what? 500 minus हा 484 इकडे आल्यावर काय झाला? मायनस आणि मायनस x इकडे गेल्यावर प्लस. So finally 500 minus 484 is what? 16. This is your x answer. Okay, now we'll go for the next question. 39.97%. Look at here. 39.97% means we will consider what? That is 40 upon 100. Remember this. Into 649.98. So that is nothing but 650. Divide 30.05. That is nothing but 13. Is equal to 45.12. So that is nothing but only 45 minus x. That's it. So now what we will do? See, now what we will do here? This 0 and this 20 will get cancelled. 13 ones are 13. 13 5s are 65. So finally वरती इथे कोण राहिले 5 into 4 20 is equal to 45 minus x. So finally what you will get? Minus x इकडे आल्यावर प्लस होणार आणि इथला प्लस तिकडे गेल्यावर काय झाला? मायनस. सो 45 minus 20. Your answer is what? 25. Write down this. Please note down this. Very good, very good. Write down this. Very simple topic this. होप झालं असेल सगळ्यांचं. Okay, now Aditya asking for repeat. Okay, see Aditya, very simple problem. 39.97%. This is these are the question based on approximation. आपण इथे काय करतोय? 39.97 ला we'll consider 40. So 40% means what? 40 upon 100 into 649.8. So do not write number as it is only, otherwise it will take time to solve. So we have to convert them into a number 649.8. So I can write 649.8 as a what? 650. Divide 13.05. So divide what? 13 is equal to 45.12. So we will write 45.12 means what? 45. If it is 45.5 च्या वरती असतं तर I would have written 46, but it is 40.5 च्या खाली आहे. So I will write 45 minus x. Then this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. And 13 5s are 65. So 5 into 4 20 is equal to 45 minus x. So finally minus x इकडे आल्यावरती प्लस झाला and plus 20 तिथे गेल्यावर काय झाला? मायनस. So 45 minus 20 is 25. This clear everyone now? We'll go for other problem. Take down other problem. 1599 divide 39.99 plus 4 by 5 into 2449 minus 120.5. Okay, solve this. Please try to solve this. See what we will do here. 1599. So what you will write? 1600 approximately 39.99. So that is nothing but, who has replied now? No, Aditi Vosley 2. Vivek 116 is wrong answer. Aditi 2040 also wrong. Please try to solve once again. See, look at 1600 divided by 40 plus 4 by 5 into 2449. So that will write 42450 minus 120. Now this 0 and this 0 cancel. 4 1 जा 4 4 जा 16 and it is 0. Okay, so 40 will come here, and then 5 1 जा 5, 5 4 जा 20. 4 left, 5 9 जा 45, 4 0. So finally answer is इथे 40 आले plus 4 into 0 0, 4 9 जा 36, 3 carry, 4 4 जा 16 and 3 19 minus 120. So final answer is what? 1960 and 40 2000 minus 120, which is 1880. Write down this. 2000 minus 120, which is 1880. This is your answer. No, Pratnya, 410 is also wrong. Please note down this. 1880 is the right answer. Yes, Vedant, very good, very good. 1880 is the right answer. Vivek got it. Very good, Vivek. Hope you understood this. Please note down this. Very good, Sarthak. Take one more problem. Hope. $3,899 divide 11.99 minus 2,379 divide 13.97. Okay, do this fast. Please try to solve this.